Good day everyone, I am Angie Soa with Wena J. Luyad and our report is all about problem with activity-based costing. So, for you to understand our report, let's first discuss what does ABC or activity-based costing is all about. So when we say ABC or activity-based costing, it is a costing method that assigns overhead and indirect costs to related products and services. This accounting method of costing recognizes the relationship between cost, overhead activities, and manufactured product, assigning indirect costs to product less than traditional costing methods. However, some indirect costs, such as management and office staff salaries, are difficult to assign to a product. So, there are many companies initiate ABC project with the best of intentions, only to see a very high proportion of project. It's either to fail or eventually lapse into disuse. So there are several reasons for these issues. So number one is the cost pool volume. The advantage of ABC system is the high quality of information that is produced, but it comes at the cost of using a large number of cost pools, and the more cost pools there are, the greater cost of margining the system. It requires detailed analysis and allocation to individual activities, which may involve additional resources, time, and expertise. The accuracy of the cost allocation depends on the quality and availability of the data as well as the label of the data required. Therefore, there is a trade-off between the expense of implementing ABC and the level of accuracy achieved. The cost associated with using the accountancy method may outweigh the benefits, especially if you have relatively simple operations. Number two reasons or issue is installation time. So ABC system are notoriously difficult to install, with multiple year of installations being the norm when a company attempt to install it across all the product, ones, and facilities. Activity-based budgeting is a lengthy and comprehensive process that requires a considerable amount of time and resources on an entity, and spending too much on analyzing may prove to be counterproductive. And number three is the multi-department data sources. An ABC system may require data input from multiple departments, and each of these departments may have a greater priorities than the ABC system. Implementing ABC requires strong support and commitment from top-level management. This includes allocating resources, providing necessary training, and ensuring cooperation across different departments or units. Without active involvement and support from management, the implementation process may face resistance or lack the necessary resources to succeed. Additionally, for ABC to be effective, performance measure and incentive should be aligned with the activity-based costing system, which may require changes to existing performance review of the process.
Number 4, project basis. Many ABC projects are authorized on a project basis so that information is only collected once. In activity-based costing or ABC, a project-based issue typically refers to challenges or difficulties associated with applying ABC to specific projects or activities within an organization. Management may not authorize funding for additional ABC projects later on Reporting unused time. When a company asks its employees to report on the time spent on various activities, they have a strong tendency to make sure that the reported amounts equal 100% of their time. Reporting unused time in the activity-based costing or ABC can present challenges, especially in situations where there is a significant idle capacity or unused resources. There are some common problems associated with reporting unused time in ABC. It's identification, cost allocation, and data accuracy. To address these problems, it should consider implementing more automated data collection systems, improving cost allocation methodologies, and educating the stakeholders on the benefits of identifying and addressing unused time. Additionally, ensure that the ABC model is designed to accommodate the unique aspects of the organization's resource utilization and allocation challenges. Separate data sets. An ABC system rarely can be constructed to pull all of the information it needs directly from the general ledger. Separate data sets can pose a challenge in activity-based costing or ABC. When you need to allocate cost and analyze activities across different departments, divisions, or cost centers that maintain the data separately. It can be quite difficult to maintain this extra database since it calls from significant extra staff time for which there may not be an adequate budget. This can lead to issues in creating a comprehensive and accurate ABC model. Addressing the issues of separate data sets in ABC requires a coordinated effort and a well-designed model that considers the unique characteristics of each department or cost center while ensuring consistency in data integration and cost allocation. Targeted usage. The benefits of ABC are most apparent when cost accounting information is difficult to discern. Due to the presence of multiple product lines, machines being used for the production of many products, numerous machine setups, and so forth. In other words, in complex production environment. Targeted usage in the context of activity-based costing typically refers to the challenge of accurately predicting or determining the usage of resources or activities within an organization. This can be also a problem because ABC relies on understanding on how resources are used to allocate cost effectively. If a company does not operate in such an environment, then it may be spend a great deal of money on an ABC installation, only to find that the resulting information is not overly valuable. Addressing the targeted usage problem in ABC involves a combination of data management, predictive analysis, collaboration, and adaptability in the cost allocation model. The goal is to have a more accurate understanding of how resources are used, leading to better cost allocation and improved decision making.